Okay, here we are going to look at graphing different cosine functions where we have this k value, or this plus k at the end, changing up and down. So let's see what happens. I'm going to start with my first one with a k value of 1. I'll do this in green. So I don't know if you've picked up, but I did write in the original here. This is y is equal to cos of x. That's our base graph. I think I'll move this off to the side over here and delete this. What I want to draw now is the function f of x equals cos x plus 1. So what's happening here? Well, basically every cos x value is getting 1 added to it. So the way you can see this is, okay, well, cos of 0 is 1. If I'm adding 1 to that, I'm going to be at 2 up here. Cos of 90 is 0, and if I'm adding 1 to that, I'm going to be over here. Cos of 180 will be negative 1. Adding 1 to that will bring me to 0. 270 will bring me to 1. 360 will bring me to 0. And we're up there. What do I end up getting? Well, I get this beautiful curve that goes just like that. And again, because I'm going over 2 intervals, I'm going to paste this over here. And there you have it. Let me just fill these in. So negative 180, negative 90, 270, negative 360. Okay, so what have you noticed here? Well, basically, everything moved up. Everything moved up 1 unit. So I think it's pretty clear that the k value shifts vertically the graph up or down, and that's where you're going to see in the next one that it's going to move downwards. I'll do that in blue. So here I have f of x equals cosine of x minus 1.5. In this case, I'm not going to really bother, getting too detailed into it, because I think you get the point. Everything is moved down 1.5. So let's see what we get here. Let's start from 1. So 1.5 down from that will bring me here. 90 will bring me to negative 1.5. This guy's going to be off the grid at 180. At 270, I'm going to be over here. At 360, I will be up here. And I apologize that you probably won't see the full portion of this graph, but I think you get the picture. Comes out and comes back up. And because we're doing this twice, I'm just going to copy it, paste it, and move it over here. And there we go. So everything here is being moved down 1.5. 1.5 negative from the original. So there you have your various vertical shifts. This also applies to the sine function. We're just using cosine as an example, but behaves very intuitively, very nicely. So it should be easy to apply in most cases.